The ocean covers more than 70% of our planet, yet we've explored less than 5% of it. Just imagine there are creatures lurking down there that we haven't even discovered yet, but the ones we have found, some of them are so strange, terrifying, and alien-like that they seem straight out of a horror movie. These creatures live in complete darkness, in a world where the pressure is so intense it could crush a submarine. Are you ready to meet the scariest creatures of the deep? Let's dive in. Once you go below 200 meters, 656 feet, sunlight disappears completely. This is called the midnight zone. Down here there's no light, no plants, and barely any food. To survive, creatures have adapted in terrifying ways. Some with huge razor-sharp teeth, others with glowing lures to trick prey. And one of the most nightmarish creatures, meet the anglerfish, a predator straight out of your nightmares. This horrifying fish has a giant gaping mouth filled with long needle-like teeth. But what makes it truly terrifying? That glowing light on its head. It's actually a fishing lure. The anglerfish uses it to attract smaller fish in the darkness. And when its prey gets too close, gone. But that's not the weirdest part. In some species, the male anglerfish fuses onto the female's body, becoming nothing more than a tiny parasite whose only job is to fertilize eggs. Nature is terrifying and weird. If you thought sharks were scary, meet the goblin shark, a creature that looks more like an alien than a fish. This bizarre shark has a long, flat snout covered in electrosensors, allowing it to detect hidden prey. But the real horror, it has a spring-loaded jaw that shoots out to grab its prey like a horror movie monster. It's been around for over 125 million years, earning it the nickname the living fossil. Still think sharks are the scariest thing in the ocean? Think again. Imagine something bigger than a person, drifting silently in the pitch-black ocean. This is the giant phantom jelly, a deep-sea predator that can grow over 30 feet, 9 meters long. Instead of using stinging tentacles like most jellyfish, it has 4 massive, ribbon-like arms that float through the water, trapping anything that swims into them. This creature is so rare that scientists have only seen it a handful of times, which means there could be even larger, even more terrifying versions lurking in the deep. This is the deep-sea dragonfish, and it's one of the most ruthless hunters of the deep. Its body is jet black, making it almost invisible in the dark. But its most terrifying feature? It has glowing red eyes that can see bioluminescent light, allowing it to hunt prey that thinks it's invisible. And when it opens its mouth, you can see its transparent dagger-like teeth that are perfect for trapping prey. Some creatures don't look scary at first, until you realize how alien they really are. Meet the barrel eye fish, a deep sea fish with a completely transparent head. You can literally see its brain, eyes, and internal organs. Its eyes are green and tubular, pointing upward so it can spot prey above it in the darkness. This bizarre creature doesn't chase prey, it simply floats, watching, waiting until the perfect moment to strike. These are just a few of the terrifying creatures we've found in the deep sea. But what about the ones we haven't found yet? There are entire regions of the ocean that no human has ever seen. Could there be creatures even bigger, scarier, and more alien than anything we've discovered? The truth is, we don't know. But as we build more advanced submarines and explore deeper, we might just uncover the ocean's biggest secret yet. Would you dare to go down there? The ocean is Earth's last great mystery, full of creatures that look like they belong on another planet. And while they may seem scary, these animals aren't monsters. They're survivors, perfectly adapted to one of the harshest environments on Earth. But with so much left to explore, who knows what else is lurking in the deep? Maybe the scariest creature of all hasn't been discovered yet.